Okay, I have no idea what I'm doing with my eyes. What am I doing? I don't know. Trying to decide what I want to do with my eyes. Just a bit. You see that magic? How instantly blended that became? This brush right here, y'all. This is it. This is an e.l.f. concealer brush. It's bananas. You know what? I've tried to record a few videos now. They were all horrible. But I realized in, like, I think there was one where I didn't do it. But 2 or 3 of them, I for sure was like talking to myself, talking to myself the whole time. But like I was like whispering. You know how you do if you're like kind of a weirdo and you just sit there and like whisper to yourself, like you're having a conversation with yourself. And I did that and it was really creepy. Yeah. So I hope I'm not doing that in this video. Although I am getting better at editing, so I guess if it happens, I'll just edit it out. Because like I'm getting kind of good at it. Okay, I'm gonna use this Clinique liner. Okay, woo! Okay, I just realized what's going on, what's happening with me right now. It has kicked in a full fucking force. It's working, guys. It's working. I'm telling you, get yourself some freaking Zip Fizz. Okay, my camera cut off. I don't think I missed too much, but I just finished my eyeliner. They look okay. which I shouldn't have put anything under my lash line, but that's okay. We'll just blend it back out. Okay, I'm just gonna blend this out. Get rid of this. I'm still even here. Okay, and then I'm gonna go over this just a little bit, and then take the brush that I had my blush on, go back over this, make it look like there's not such a harsh line. Like I've said before, I don't know if I said it, I don't have very good luck with setting powders. I've been trying to use up that, what's it called? What is that bitch's name that we don't like because she doesn't vaccinate her children? Kat Von D. I have had her Lock-It setting powder forever. I'm like not even halfway through, and I used it primarily for like straight. That was the only setting powder that I used for as long as I've had it, well over a year. And I hate it. And I was like, I'm not gonna buy a new one until I finish it because I hate wasting shit. So I finally gave in. And bought this flower one. A lot of people recommend it because I have such dry eyes. It definitely doesn't give me that super dry look like the Kat Von D one does. But I just have to be super careful with setting powders. Like, I just have too dry of skin to go crazy. I have tried baking so many times. It's just, you can't do it when you have dry skin. I mean, I guess you can. And if you're able to get away with it, then that's cool. Okay, so I'm gonna throw on some mascara. Speed through this real quick. So I'm pretty happy with this look. Looks alright. Yeah, pretty happy with it. What do you think? So I'm thinking, if there's anyone out there watching this, I really want to do, I'm letting like my facial hair grow out. I shave my face pretty regularly, but the last time I went in a little too hard and like really fucked up my skin, like just with like how much I scraped. But if you're interested in seeing like a face shaving video, if you're like kind of interested or whatever, I can show you my like amateur techniques. I'm not a professional by any means. I don't have any kind of I'm not trying to tell you like all the proper ways, but like just your basic kind of face shave. And I'm not talking like you take like your basic like leg razor with some shaving cream and shave your face like a guy would. I'm talking about with like really delicate little facial razors, and just kind of, I mean, there's not much to it, but like if you're nervous about it, I was definitely nervous about it, and I finally just did it, and I've definitely learned. I've made quite a few mistakes, so I feel like I kind of want to share how I do it, and hopefully you don't make the same mistakes. Alright, so that's gonna be the end of that video. My kids came home screaming, not in a good mood, so I put them down for a nap, thank God. So yeah, let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below what you thought. If you like the face shaving idea, let me know. If there's something else specific you want to see, let me know. I have lots of video ideas. I just really need to just do them. I've been really nervous about putting together a full video, not knowing what I should put out first. Just thanks for watching if you made it this far, and I'll see you next time. Bye!